If you have this sensor coming up on your dash on your Ford Escape, I'm going to show you how to fix it in less than 5 minutes. First step is to pull the hood release. Next, we're going to open the hood with the hood latch. It's the yellow one that I'm turning right now. Lift up your hood prop. Put it in the stationary holes. Confirm that it is indeed the outer low beam bulb. Next, you're going to remove the dust cover. Just give it a little pull on the tabs. And inside you'll see this green bulb. That's the one we're going to grab onto and twist 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. It should pop right out, and you'll see a little bit of cloudiness on the bulb, which means it is blown. That is a H11 bulb. This one was off Amazon. I believe it was a little over $10. And quite simply, just press the clip in, remove the old bulb, put the new bulb in, you'll hear a click. Take the protector off, try not to touch the bulb. Insert the new bulb into the hole. Give it a clockwise twist. Check and make sure that it works quickly for good measure. Then you can put the dust cap back on. And that's it, you're finished. Thanks for watching.